Ngala sombuluka ke isonto mbukeli wohlelo oluyingqayizivele ekhaya Jikelele. Umkerenezeko ouza ukhalela phansi usuku siyivika phela lokuthi ihlangene imhlathe yazanayo okuyimina kanye nawe. Akubanda kubandi yazi nami ngeke acabanga kaningi ngesikhathi kumele ngivuke hayibo bayafuneka emsebenzini. Angithi phela kwi-interview bathi mabekubuza wathi wena hayi awunankinga ungeza noma yinini futhi wena uyi-hard worker ayikhaleke.
Hayi mazikhale ngempela kunini ndikukhumbula mhlobo wami.
Oh sana bese look forward to today.
Hayi nami ulapha phambi kwami ngiyakuphefumula. Lichilo igwijo mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele libhengeza ukufika kwethu kaloku singumthombo wolwazi ophala phambili wendaba bekumnandi kaloku kwaye kudala sinikhumbula sesifikile. Qiniseka kaloku mbukeli into yokubana awukwazi urhabule ufince kulomqombothi uwedwa. Umona awuzukusandawo. Xelela umeza xelela umakhelwane nibe nonke kube shushu kube nala that thing. Dimlo ukhalosa kalubisi unonkanyezi umadlongothi umazifu umamshukuma umazondwa ngento zakhe. Ngaphambi kokuba kunyuke lento semqolo wena mamtshali masitsha iqhuma.
Mbukeli asibheke ihamba phambili kuleli hora. Umengameli wezwe uSiril Ramaphosa uthi kungamampunge ukuthi uzoxoshwa oyiphini lakhe uPaul Mashatile. Umengameli uthe uxoxile noMashatile ngalokho amtshela ukuthi into engeke yenzeke leyo.
Ingqele eqhaqhazelisa amazinyo kulindeleke kuba iqhubeke iveki yonke ngakumbe eNtshona Koloni nakwezinye indawo zelilizwe.
Umdlali we-mixed martial arts uDricus du Plessis udle umhlanganiso ehlula uRobert Whittaker eLas Vegas eMelika izolo.
Sanibonani molweni uNtunja lo bathi siqhaga somfazi ijeyitshele kaNtunja avila ivula ngabantu ivula zenkonjane ubukele ekhaya Jikelele kwi-DTT SABC kuyatholakala umculo ama-poetry ezamabhizinisi uzongaphuthela bathi ijele kaNtunja mbini halivulwa ngabantu kuphi ekhaya Jikelele.
Ngatsho Ntunja umongameli uSiril Ramaphosa uthi akho cebo lokugxotha usekela mongameli uPaul Mashatile oku emva kwengxelo ezibalulwe ngusekela mongameli ngalombandela.
Umongameli uSiril Ramaphosa uzihlabile izitsholo zobhukuqo lukasekela mongameli uPaul Mashatile esithi abukho ubunyaniso kwaphela kwezi zihloko zenza inhlokomo.
I had a discussion with the Deputy President and I said, but what is this? And we are going to have another discussion because, and I immediately said to him, I appointed you and I'm the only person who can de-appoint you. And there is just no thought, no plan, no inkling whatsoever that something like that could be in the works.
Ramaphosa ebekuyingxoxo namajelo endaba emva komhlangano wekomiti ye-ANC Jikelele yakulempela veki eBoksburg. Ikomiti ye-ANC ishukuxe imiba ebalekayo eqhoka eli equka kodwa engaphelelanga kule ucimicimi ungeno lwemida yeli ngokungekho mthethweni iyanhlukwano ngokumayela nenqule eqhukwe zamandla. Ramaphosa uthe ikomiti ye-ANC ikhuthazekile inqubekela.
The NEC was rather encouraged to see that the electricity availability factor is continuing to rise and is hovering around 60%, with the incidence of load shedding having been reduced from around 6 now, stage 6 rather, hovering around stage 3.
Kumngeni woqebu lokuvalela umongameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin ludluliswa yi-IEC nengqongqothela ye-BRICS. Umongameli uRamaphosa uthe lo mhlangano awuzokubanjwa ngobuxhakaxhaka banamhla.
Iningizimu Afrika ibophezela uqinisekisa ukuthi umphakathi wasemakhaya uyazuza ebudlelwaneni bamazwe eBRICS. Lokhu kushiwo yiphini kaNgqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uKenneth Mashego Dlamini ngesikhathi ehola abamele amazwe eBRICS eThohoyandou eLimpopo.
Ukuqhakaza kwendawo yesithili saseVembe kuqaqambe ngokugqibeleleyo. Le ndawo ivame ukubizwa njengengqaka yokutya yelizwe nanjengoko ityebile ukuvelisa izityalo. Inxalenye yamabhongo ngale ndawo bubumbethe-mbethe bayo obuthi butsale abakhenkethi. Isebe lezobudlelwane nobambiswano lwamazwe jikelele lithi bamaxhapheshu nezicwangciso zokuqinisekisa ukuba uqoqosho lwasezilalini luyaxhamla kwimbumba yamazwe iBRICS.
I brought a number of ambassadors here to come and see for themselves where their business people can have interest, also partner with the people of Vembe.
Eli phulo lamkelwe ngezandla ezishushu ngamashishini asekuhlaleni.
We were having a challenge of materials with the issue of price because we were buying locally, but then I believe from now we will be able to source the materials from China.
We are partnered with a Russian company on our streaming platform, so this is already giving us fruitful things.
Amanye amagosa athi abatyali mali abathile kumazwe wabo selebobonakalise inhliziyo ezimhlophe ekutyaleni imali kule ngingqi. Kunjalo baqononondise isigqibo seBRICS sokuzijula ijacu ekwenzeni liqilima ezoqoqosho ngophuhliso jikelele.
Within BRICS, we promote peace, development, and progress for the people.
Lembonakaliso yale ndawo iza sekushiyeke iveki ezimbalwa ukuya kwingqungquthela equlunqiweyo yeBRICS ngo-August neza kubanjelwa eRhawutini.
Singathanda ke ukulumkisa abo banenhliziyo ziethe-ethe ngelinqaku. Ugebengo olumasikizi lwesibini esesikhulile kuqoboqobo eMpuma Koloni lushiye uluntu lunxunguphele. Esisibini sixatyelwe de sasweleka kutyholwa ke umzukulwana oneminyaka engama-28 esisehlo sehle phambi komzukulwana obelele nomakhulu wakhe. Ukufumana ingxelo ethe vetshe ngelinqaku masive kwintatheli yethu ye-SABC ulubabalo tata.
Usapho lwakwaNqayi kwilali yaseChatha kuqoboqobo luzilile emveni kokuba amalungu amabini osapho lwayo ethe abulawa kule mpelaveki. Tyholwa ngelithi elixhego ke kunye ke nelixhegokazi abulewe ngumzukulwana wawo nothe ke wawaxhaxha apha ke kule ndlu sihleli kuwo. Esisehlo ke sothuse kakhulu abantu bale ndawo. Kungoku nje ndinalo ke ulungu losapho ngizathu ke lisichazele ngokuthe kwenzeka. Mama masibolele kakhulu ngexesha lakho. Ndiyaqonda into yoba kusenzima kakhulu kuni uyamkela le meko.
Inkosi tata. Ewe kusebuhlungu kakhulu. Sexhalekile silusapho lwakaNqayi. Emveni kwesithwakumbe esimbi esinje sokuthi sibulawelwe abazali bethu kumzukulwana katata nomama. Sixhalekile umbono ubumbi yonke lento yenzeke apha kule ndlu sihlele kuyo. Safika kulo mbono indlu idada igazi belele kulolo gazi linjalo. Sixhalekile kakhulu kuba bingabantu bingabazali ebekuxhonywe kubo apha ekhaya ingabo abazi-main breadwinners apha ekhayeni. Mna njengentombi yabo endala akukho mntu uphangelayo apha esigxina.
Ugcine uvuliwe umgwaqo emzileni onguthela wayeku N3 phakathi kweFanrinen Pass neEscort KwaZulu-Natal kulandela ukuthungelwa ngomlilo kwamaloli kulomzila.
Ngokumbikwa amaphoyisa amaloli ayisithupha ashiswe ngesikhathi eqeda kumiswa ezama ukunyuka umango eFanrinen Pass. Kube khona ukudubula ngaphambi kokuthi athelwe ngopetrol angqongqiswa. Akekho limalile.
Eshiswa abantu ekuthiwa bebehamba ngeToyota Avanza and bake bawadubula namaloli eqaleni ngaphambi kokuba bawabhunyele ngopetrol. Sizitholile ke nokho ipack za petrol ebezikhona la enkundleni la eFanrinen Pass. Kodwa ke into esibongayo ukuthi awukho umphefumulo ophumile kodwa umonakalo mkhulu kakhulu kule ndawo.
Abashayeli bamaloli abebevaleleke kulomzila amahora amaningi bathi akukho ukuphepha kulothela wayeka uN3.
We're not safe on the road. Just because of this that is happening almost a week or something. When we saw people on the road, we are like getting frightened that maybe they can do something wrong to us.
Njengoba amaphoyisa ephenya lolu daba, ungqongqoshe amaphoyisa uGeneral Bhekicele uthi bakhona abamayaniswa nezigameko zokushiswa kwamaloli asebaboshwa.
Last time we checked, we had arrested 47 people around the trucking issues and all that. We send them to court so they get paid. Maybe sometimes the prosecution and magistracy can tell us.
Iphathimandla ezilawula ezomgwaqo zithi basazoqhubeka abasebenzi baqaphele imizila ngelokhozi. Umgwaqo khona usuvule ku N11. Eindabeni za SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eFan Rinens Pass.
I am concerned about these activities that take place that have a negative impact on our economy, and it's almost like economic sabotage, because burning 6 trucks on the main artery of our country in terms of the economy is concerning. The intelligence agencies are going to be giving me a report on that, so we will be getting that shortly, and of course the police themselves will be taking steps to make sure that we forestall whatever follow-up activity that those who are behind this may well be planning. But we are going to ensure that we go after those people who torched those trucks, because it's not acceptable.
The torching of trucks is nothing but a criminal act. It is actually sabotaging the economy. That is why people who do that, they come, do and run away, because they know that what they are doing is nothing but committing crime. And I want to believe that the law enforcement agencies will assist to get those people so that they can be punished, so that they can face the full might of the law. There cannot be any excuse, there cannot be any reason whatsoever that can justify such act. And therefore we will try to ensure, talking to our law enforcement agencies, that those people are found and they face the full might of the law. And I think that is all that we can say about this. And the unfortunate part of this is that for now, we're not sure as to where those trucks were going, who owns those. It can actually be an SMME who is owning a truck, who's trying to be an entrepreneur, and you have these people that come and just ban them. It can't be allowed. No country can allow such.
Minister, it's the second time. It's actually on the commemoration of what happened in the July unrest when former President Jacob Zuma was incarcerated. Do you by any chance perhaps think it may be those commemorating that particular event and being linked to those political events of last year?
I don't have that information, so I can't link that to anything that happened during that July. What I know is that people are committing crime for now, they're torching people's assets, but trucks, they're actually moving the economy, and it can be done. Whatever that is in that truck is assets, things that need to reach the consumers some way. And if you just do that, you're actually redirecting other countries to go to other ports and not our ports. They've got to go to other countries and not our country ports, and that will mean that we have ports that are standing and idling as white elephants, and we can't allow that. And I think we really need to ensure that those people are found and they face the full might of the law.
Liyonyuka izinga lokuxhonyiswa kwemoto ezithwala imali kwiphondo laseMpumalanga konzakaliswe abalindi abane kwiziganeko ezimbini zokuqweqwediswa kwemoto ezithwala imali ehlanzeni kule veki. Amapolisa zingela abaphangi ababaleke nenkwenka engadizwanga emva kokuqhushumbiswa kwezimoto.
Uqweqwediswe enye imoto ethwala imali kumgwaqo R40 eMarit eBushbuck Ridge. Kuqhamke uqhoqhozwano phakathi konqala inhloko nabalindi konzakala amagosa okukhusela amabini. Ukhe wavalwa umgwaqo ngelixa amapolisa beqokelela inkcukacha ezinokuba likhubalo kuphando lwezikrelemnqa. Kwintsuku ezintathu ezidluleyo naseSabi kumgwaqo White River kuphangwe enye imoto ethwala imali. Iqela lamadoda livulele ngezulu lezandla laphela emehlweni nenkwenka yemali engaqangazwanga. Abalindi ababini abafulathelwe ngamawabo babolekisana ngencwina nezigulana esibhedlela. Abahlala bambonzeleke kwindawo yexhwayelo ngelokuzixathulela iintsalela baphazamisana nengalo yomthetho batshilo abakwantsasana.
Ewe mbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele, sithe qolo sizama kaloku into yokubana sikuxhobise ngokwenzekayo kwiindawo ezingqungileyo. Kodwa ke mamtshali, ngaphambi kokuba siyobhata amatyala sibuya nantoni kanene?
Hayi mbukeli, mangabe sibuya ey'tolo sobe sikuphathele ezemidlalo. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi umengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uthi kungamampungu ukuthi kuzoxoshwa oyiphini lakhe uPaul Mashatile. Umengameli uthe uxoxile yena noMashatile ngalokho, amtshela ukuthi into engeke yenzekeleyo. Ikomiti lesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC besibambe umhlangano eBoksburg eGauteng ngempelasonto. Unobhala Jikelele weqembu ufikile embalula eqhulwini kulomhlangano kubhungwe ngeindlela zokuqeda ubugebengu, udaba lwamandla ogesi kanye nomqulu weqembu wezethembiso zokhetho. Emva ke komhlangano umengameli weqembu Cyril Ramaphosa ubeke esebane isithangami nabeyindaba. Ukubheka kabanzi umphumela walomhlangano njengamanje sixhumana nentatheli SABC esimkantshubomvu ebhekele indaba zezombusazwe Mgele Maseko. The Lord kuhleke ukuxoxa nawe namhlanje. Siyakwamukela Ekhaya Jikelele.
Sibingelele noxolo siphinde sibingelele nabalaleli.
Yiziphi indaba obegxilwe kuzo kulomhlangano we-ANC eBoksburg?
Nomhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC ugxile kakhulu ekubhekeni ukuthi inkinga kagesi wokucimacima kwawo exazululwa kanjani eNingizimu Afrika. Ubone ungqongqoshe obhekele ugesi udokotela uHolsenzo Ramahukpa uthi izigaba ze-load shedding zokucimacima kukagesi sezehlisiwe kule inyanga eyidlule ngoba basebenza kanzima ukuthi lezikhumulo eziphehla ugesi zamalahle bayilungise ukuthi zikwazi ukuphehla ugesi ngendlela yokuthi azifi njalo. Baphinde futhi bethi nendlela ezintsha zokwakha ugesi ozokhiqiza ugesi ukusebenzisa ilanga, ukusebenzisa umoya, ukusebenzisa igas, konke naloko kuyangena, nanokuthi bahambile bayosayina izivumelwane namanye amazwe afana noMozambique ukuze kukwazi ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ithenge ugesi kulawo mazwe. Kugxile kakhulu ngezinto zikagesi, kugxile kakhulu ngesimo somnotho waseNingizimu Afrika esitengantengayo, nanokuthi bawusimanisa kanjani umnotho ukuze uzokwazi ukwakha amathuba omsebenzi.
Samkelo obambe njengomvikelo omphakathi uadvocate uKholeka Gcaleka uligezi ligama likaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa embikweni othinta udaba lwephalaphala. Engabe uthini kumuzwa weqembu mayelana nalolu daba nalesi sinqumo sikaKholeka Gcaleka?
Naxolo asike sicacise lokho. Lo mbiko akuwona okamvikelo omphakathi osabambile uadvocate uKholeka Gcaleka. Lo mbiko uqhamuka ehhovisini likamvikeli womphakathi. So i-report lena le akuyona nje i-report ebhalwe yena uKholeka, ubhalwe i-ofisi lomvikeli womphakathi okuyilona i-ofisi elenze umsebenzi awothi benze umsebenzi onzulo osoqophelweni eliphezulu. Kwabonakala kwanobufakazi ukuthi umongameli eplazini lakhe iphalaphala akukho akwenzile okuphule umthetho kanye futhi okuphule ne-oath of office ayisayina ngenkathi engena njengomongameli wezwe. Into esiyibonayo kakhulu manje makuphuma le mbiko le kuvele kuthiwa umbiko womvikeli womphakathi, asivele sithi lokho kube ngazi ukuthi umbiko obhalwe umuntu oyedwa nje echizeni okuKholeka Gcaleka noma okuMkhwebana, kanti akukho njalo, kusuka kuumbiko oqhamuka ehhovisini lomvikeli womphakathi. Yebo, umvikeli womphakathi naye unawo amandla ukuthi le report olombiko uma ubhalwa abe khona awucubungule afake imbono yakhe. Kwenye inkathi abanye bayagxizelela ukuthi umbono wabo kube wona ofakwa laphayana, abanye badedela abasehhovisini ukuthi basebenze kahle, bavulele ochwepheshe nabantu abakulowo mkhakha ukuthi benze umsebenzi wabo kube yibona abashoyo ukuthi hayi cha la kukhona okushaya amanzi. khona ngathi khona okwenzakalile umongameli akumele akuphendule kodwa kuyabonakala ukuthi ihhovisi lomvikelo womphakathi limbone umongameli engenacala sesisole ndawona ke umbiko ozoqhamuka ekubhangwe ngodla waseNingizimu Afrika phecelezi iReserve Bank ezocacisa ngabe uphulile yini umthetho wezezimali umongameli mase kufika kwekusebenzeni kwezinto zakhe ephalaphala.
Ngempela sonto samukela kuphinde kwaqubuka ke amahemhemu ke athi ku-ANC ngaphakathi kunemizamo yokugudluza iphini likamengameli uPaul Mashatile. uRamaphosa ngabe uphendule wathini mayelana lamahemhemu?
Umongameli waye-ANC kanye nomongameli wezwe wachithile lamahlebezi wathi uyena yedwa umuntu okwazi ukuqasha iphini likamongameli aphinde alixoshe ngaphandle makuwukuthi ke i-ANC isikhundla siphezulu sesithathe isinqumo sokuthi hayi umongameli iphini likamongameli kumele lishenxe. Ukhumbule ngenkathi wayengumongameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki exoshwa oyeyiphini lezwe ngaleso sikhathi uJacob Zuma wasithatha yena leso sinqumo akadinganga ukuya kwisigungu esiphezulu senhlangano ebusayo i-ANC. Waphinde futhi umnumzana uZuma wathatha isinqumo sokushenxa njengephini likamongameli we-ANC lapho abuyiswa khona i-National General Council ye-ANC yango-2005 e-University of Pretoria. Kodwa kuloku-ke ngoPaul Mashatile ushipokosa umongameli Ramaphosa uthi hayi cha amampunge nje lawa amahlebezi ngeke yenzeke leyo nto uyena yedwa ongathatha leso sinqumo and akakaze nje aze akucabange ukusithatha leso sinqumo.
Ingabe samukela ke ikuphi nje okuphawulekayo malungana nomphumela walomhlangano obungabe ukhona iziphi inqumo eziphume kuwo mhlawumbe eziphawulekayo?
Ephawulekayo iloko ukuthi bazokwazi manje sebebhekele ukuthi abasalungisi phela izikhumulo eziphehla ugesi ngamalahle sebebheka nanokuthi ugesi uyiswa kanjani ezimbonini uyiswa kanjani emakhaya kuthina lokho kubizwa phecelezi ngesingisi i-transmission. Ubona lezi intambo ezihamba nje eNingizimu Afrika yonke sihambisa ugesi bafuna ukulungisa lokho manje ukuze bezokwazi ukuyolanda ugesi kuyindawo efana njengoKwaZulu Natal ezinelanga ezinomoya ukuzikhiqiza khona ugesi ngelanga uphinde ukhiqize khona ugesi nangomoya ukuze ukwazi lo gesi ukuthi ungene phecelezi kwi-national grid okuyiyona okwazi ukuthi ibheke ukuthi ugesi usetshenziswa kanjani ukephi eNingizimu Afrika ukuze singazitholi sesisebumnyameni izwe lonke.
Sasiphetha nje ke samukelo ingabe uRamaphosa umi kuphi ke odabeni oluthinta umengameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin njengoba phela kubhekwe engqungqutheleni yeBRICS?
Njengoba ubheka nje kubhekwe engqungquthela ngoBRICS kulonyaka umongameli waseRussia uVladimir Putin akakwazanga ukuhamba ukuthi ahamba eAsia lapho kade kune-Asia Summit khona. Lokho kukhombise okusobala ukuthi kungenzeka uPutin engezi eNingizimu Afrika kodwa umongameli Ramaphosa uthi uyakhuluma nabo bonke labo umongameli bamazwe eBRICS ukuze le ngqungquthela ezobanjwa yeBRICS ibe khona inyama nenyama la eNingizimu Afrika bebhekane bonke ngeziqhu zamehlo egumbini elilodwa bebhunge ngesimo somnotho wezwe bebhunge ngokuthi baqhamuka kanjani nomnotho omusha ukuthi uzokwazi ukufikisana nedola laseMelika ukuze idola kungabi ilona eliphethe isimo somnotho uzwe lo umhlaba wonke njengoba ubona njena ukuthi isimo somnotho saseMelika siyadengantenga yasibona isimo somnotho sase-China isimo somnotho saseRussia siyadlondlobala isimo somnotho sase-India siyadlondlobala mase kuba khona nalamazwe ke afana noBrazil neSouth Africa nabo abafuna ukusimamisa isimo somnotho wabo kakhulukazi iSouth Africa njengoba ikwazi ifuna nanokuthi ilungise inkinga kagesi ukuze umnotho waseNingizimu Afrika uzokhula ngendlela yokuthi ikwazi ukukhiqiza nanamathuba omsebenzi. Lokho kuchaza ukuthi iNingizimu Afrika ayiziboni nje yona icheme neRussia kuphela ithi angeke icheme namuntu angeke icheme neMelika angeke icheme namazwe ase-East.
Hayi ke sibonge kakhulu ke the Lord ngesikhathi sakho sikufisele nosuku oluhle.
Sibonge kakhulu.
Mbukeli usamukele uMaseko uyintatheli esimkatshubomvu yeindaba ze-SABC ecoshela eziyamenene ezombusazwe besixoxa naye njengamanje. Okwamanje ke mbukeli kasinje ke qunga sayitolo siyabuya emva komzuzwana. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Kanti-ke mangabe singena kwezemidlalo, umdlali we-mixed martial arts uDricus du Plessis udle umhlanganiso izolo esigabeni se-World Allied eLas Vegas, eNevada. Ukunqoba kwakhe kulandelwe yiwombe ezingezinhle ngesikhathi u-Israel Adesanya wase-New Zealand ekhombisa ukumcwasa ngokubuhlanga.
Max Verstappen we-Red Bull usatshotha enhla kumdyarho wemoto ze-Grand Prix emva kokulwa kube mtakisali ukhuphiswano lwase-Silverstone eBritani. Ezithendeni zakhe kungene uLando Norris McLaren erhuqa uLewis Hamilton oqhuba imoto yakwa-Mercedes emva kwakhe. Uqinisekisa ukuba abahlali bayamelana neenqele ezisekuthanjeni umbutho ongajonganga nzuzo eKharjeya iMother's Gift ubonelela ngesuphu, iziqhamo nemifuno kubahlali abasweleyo. Lo mbutho ke unikela ngokutya okushushu kubahlali abakumakhulu-400 kwanobuhle neziphaluka qho ngeveki. Kwezi nqele ziqugqisa iMpuma Koloni kuba ubusika imfuno yokutya okushushu yandile.
Umyezo wezilwanyana zasendle iMatrosberg Nature Reserve utsala uninzi nanjengoko abantu begaleleka ngobuninzi kuwo ngobubusika nangona kukho inqele eqhaqhazelisa amazinyo ngethemba lokuzibonela ikhephu.
We had great snow yesterday and last night. We even had snow down to reception and at the restaurant. And we had a few people there that could actually see the snow falling, which is always more spectacular than just seeing the snow on the ground. Unfortunately, this morning we had some rain that washed some of the snow away, but in the mountain there's still a lot of snow.
Inkonzo yomzantsi Afrika yemozulu iqikelela ukuba usuku lwangomso luza kuba lolona lubandayo ngenxa yokubakho komsinga womoya obandayo. Kukwalindeleke ukuba kuwikhephu nemvula emandla kule ngingqi, ukanti abantu abangenazindawo zokufihla intloko ngabona baza kuchatshazelwa yile ngqele iqhaqhazelisa amazinyo.
Ukuhlala esitratweni kunzima kule simo esikuso kona manje ngoba kuyabanda. Kuyagodola. Lo makungatholakala nje omunye umuntu ozozwela kuhlungu esasilethele ingubo nempahla ezifudumele.
It's difficult coping. Sleep not good at all because there's always noise, there's always elements that come wake you up, and then once you're awake you can't go back to sleep.
If anyone is to help me, I would not expect any big favor apart from maybe a donation of a tent, a small tent, just so that I could shelter myself from the rain.
Kukhutshwe isilumkiso somoya obhudla ngamandla iAlexander Bay nasePlattenberg Bay. Iziko elijongene nentlekele lithi libeke phantsi kweliswe libukhali lemeko.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha Ekhaya Jikelele. Sihlabele mgama novimba wethu. Uqinisekisa ukuba abahlali bayamelana neenqele eziqhaqhazelisa amazinyo. Umbutho ongajonganga nzuzo eKharjeya eMother's Gift ubonelela ngesuphu, iziqhamo nemifuno kubahlali abasweleyo. Lo mbutho ke unikela ngokutya okushushu kubahlali abakumakhulu-400 kwanobuhle neziphaluka qho ngeveki. Kwezi nqele ziqugqisa eMpuma Koloni kobubusika imfuno yokutya okushushu yandile.
Amaqondo obushushu afikelele kwi-11 degrees eTenarha namhlanje. Uninzi loluntu lwalapha ludinga ukutya okushushu njengoko kubanda. Akukabethi nentsimbi yesishumi kusasa kodwa abantu abatsha nabantu abadala sele befolile ukufumana into eyaphantsi kwempumlo. Ingakukutya kokuqala nokugqibela kusuku kubantu balapha. Le soup kitchen iluncedo kakhulu kubantu balapha nezinye lokishi nalapho izinga lendlala liphezulu.
It's a pleasure for you people to assist us in taking care of our children in this community.
It's good, you see, because there is people who stand up for our young kids here in Kaba, but the concern is the youth need jobs.
Ubuhlwempu nentswelangqesho ziphezulu kakhulu kule ngingqi. Kwaye uluntu lwalapha lubulele kakhulu ku-Mother's Gift ngeenzamo zabo.
My heart went out this morning when I see some of them don't even have shoes. They were standing in the cold just to have something to eat. Might be their last. That's what the Mother's Gift is standing for, to provide for these kids.
Lindeke ukuba ingqele iqhubeke de umvulo. Dengulerato Fekisi kwindaba ze-SABC eTinarha.
Likhithekile ezintabeni zase-series e-Eastern Cape ngenxa yamakhaza ahambisana nomsinga ubandayo. Kulindeleke ukuthi ke lesi simo sezulu sibonakale nakwezinye ingxenye zezwe.
Umyezo wezilwanyana zasendle iMatrosberg Nature Reserve utsala uninzi nanjengoko abantu begaleleka ngobuninzi kuwo ngobubusika nangona kukho ingqele eqhaqhazelisa amazinyo ngethemba lokuzibonela ikhephu.
We had great snow yesterday and last night. We even had snow down to reception and at the restaurant. And we had a few people there that could actually see the snow falling, which is always more spectacular than just seeing the snow on the ground. Unfortunately, this morning we had some rain that washed some of the snow away, but in the mountain there's still a lot of snow.
Inkonzo yomzantsi Afrika yemozulu iqikelela ukuba usuku lwangomso luza kuba lolona lubandayo ngenxa yokubakho komsinga womoya obandayo. Kukwalindeleke ukuba kuwikhephu nemvula emandla kule ngingqi, ukanti abantu abangenazindawo zokufihla intloko ngabona baza kuchatshazelwa yile ngqele iqhaqhazelisa amazinyo.
Ukuhlala esitratweni kunzima kule simo esikuso kona manje ngoba kuyabanda. Kuyagodola. No makungatholakala nje omunye umuntu ozozwela kuhlungu esasilethele ingubo nempahla ezifudumele.
It's difficult coping. Sleep not good at all. Because there's always noise, there's always elements that come, wake you up. And then once you're awake, you can't go back to sleep.
If anyone is to help me, I would not expect any big favor apart from maybe a donation of a tent, a small tent, just so that I could shelter myself from the rain.
Kukhutshwe isilumkiso somoya obhudla ngamandla i-Alexander Bay nase-Plettenberg Bay. Iziko elijongene nentlekele lithi libeke phantsi kweliswe libukhali lemeko.
Umnyango wezempilo kuzwelonke wexwayisa umphakathi okwahlasela kuwo isifo sohudo ukuba uqikelele ukuhlanzeka kwamanzi ukugwema umthelela walesifo.
Elowo uncanelwe ukufumana amanzi acocekileyo. Yinzukazi gay ukuwafumana. Oluluntu luxhomekeke kufumaneni amanzi acocekileyo kwezi zigadla. Kodwa ukuba ziye azafika kunyembeleka bawafumane kwimijelo ekufuphi. Kungenjalo bawacele kwammelwane.
Akukuhlanga asinawo amanzi. Amanzi yinto esiphila ngayo. Sixhomekeka kwimvula ukufumana amanzi. Kodwa ke sawuba sathini?
Ibuhlungu lemeko. Ibenza nzima ubomi bethu. Kunyanzeleka sixoze mphini wumbi ukuze sifumane amanzi acocekileyo.
Ayikacaci ncam imvelaphi yekholera kanti kusaphandwa. Kwi-47 ebhubhileyo abayi-35 ngabantu baseGauteng, isithandathu eFreystata, bane eLimpopo, babini eMpumalanga. Uluntu oluthwaxeka nobomi amanscral luhleli exhaleni.
Coming here, it's giving us anxiety. I don't want to lie. It's really scary. We buy the water. Well, we buy the water. I don't know about others. And I think others boil the water, but we buy.
Imeko isemaxongo azizincam impendulo nezisombululo kwabasemagunyeni.
There are no new laboratory confirmed cases and deaths in the past week. And this is a sign that the community members, especially in the affected areas, have heeded a call to remain vigilant, avoid drinking water from unreliable sources, exercise personal hygiene at all times.
Impawu zesifo ikholera ziquka utyatyazo, ukukhupha ngasentla, unxano, kungabi nazinzo, yaye ukuba azithathelwa amanyathelo zisingisela ekufeni.
Singathanda ukulumkisa abo banenhliziyo ziethe ngelinqaku. Usapho lomntwana lakwalanga eKapa kwiphondo laseNtshona Koloni otshiswe ngamanzi ashushu ngowasetyhini ohlala ekuhlaleni lumemelela ukuba kwenziwe ubulungisa. Kutyholwa ngokuba uAsanda Makaluza utshise ngamanzi ashushu inkwenkwane neminyaka emine ngethuba idlala nabahlobo bayo ngakokwabo. Kungokunje umntwana utshe ebusweni nasemzimbeni.
Esi sehlo senzeke kunyanga ipheleyo, kodwa umrhanelwa yena unqakulwe kwintsuku nje ezimbalwa ezidlulileyo. Useleke ethemuku nasenkundleni ngesiselegu. Usapho lwalemveku lithi eyona nto yakubaxolisa kukuba umthetho obulungiswa uthabathe indima yawo. Esi senzo sikwabashiye bexhwalekile emphefumlweni.
Hayi umuntu thina into endikholelwa kuyo bhuti umuntu xa yenze into erongo kumele ajeziswe ngesenzo sakhe. Okay, ukuba kwakungelelo hlobo lokuba yena wayengazange enze ngolaa hlobo kwakumele mosabuya azoxolisa kuthi hayi ibi mistake hayi kwenze kanje. Xa ethi sekephinde yobuzwa futhi uphendula indlela engeyiyo uyathuka endaweni yalonto. So sabona sidelelekile sicakelwe phansi ikukuAsanda. Sakhubeka ke kwaba buhlungu azange sive kamnandi.
Uluntu lwasezone 17 lishiyeke ngasemva liligcwabevu ngumsindo emveni koku.
Mna mntu ngumakhelwane wakhe every morning xa ehlanjwa uyakhala ukuba zenza pains wesapha ezingalweni. Ibhlungu lanto leya lamntana ka every morning xa ehlanjwa uyakhala lamntana. Akazange akhala lamntana ka ehlanjwa. Lamntana uzawukhula like isikaso kutsha sipheli asipheli. Uzawukhulene engumntana mncinci lamntana. Mncinci kakhulu mina ndikhathazeke nyani bhuti angifuni uxoxa.
Eli tyala lihlehliselwe iveki ezayo ze kufunyanwe inkcukacha malunga nesicelo sebheyile. uMakhaluza ushiyeka inkolongoloze eseleni ezibandayo kungokunjenana. Abahlali babongoza kwabasemagunyeni ngelithi makalelwe ibheyile umrhanelwa lona. Njengomlamli Maneli kwindaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Usapho lwaseLimpopo luthi alusenathemba lokuba amapolisa aza kude amnqakule umbulali wentombi yalo. uLerato Mamabulo ushiywe eswelekile ecaleni kwendlela emva kokuba egqityelwe ukubona ekunye nancumisana naye nokwanguyise wabantwana bakhe ngempelaveki egqithileyo. Lo wasetyhini neminyaka engama-34 ophuma eMuteti ngaseGroblersdal kukholelwa ukuba ubethwe kanobom ngulowo ancumisana naye. Uye wonganyelwa ngamanxeba wasweleka kwisibhedlele sasePhiladelphia ukanti indoda ekholelwa ukuba yiyo embuleleyo isahamba ngokukhululekileyo ezitalatweni.
Usapho lakwaMamabolo eMuteti eDennilton lusothukile indlela emasikize esweleke ngayo intombi yalo. Umzimba kaLerato Mamabolo ufunyenwe ngasendleleni ngabantu abagqithayo. Uye wabalekiselwe esibhedlele nalapho eye wonganyelwa ngamanxeba wakhe khona. Ukusweleka kwakhe kothuse uninzi kule ngingqi. Usapho lutyholuyise wabantwana bakhe ngesisenzo nosabonwe hlenyuka ezitalatweni ngokukhululekileyo. Batyhola ngelithi amapolisa aseDennilton aphanzile ukubamba umrhanelwa nangona kuvulwe ityala. Usapho luthi umrhanelwa ufaka ityuwa enxebeni nanjengoko ethe xolo egqitha ngakwikhaya lolusapho.
Kubonakala ngathi ebemkhaba ebenawo namanxeba entloko. Washiywa endlini akaqali kumbetha. Sisothukile silusapho kuba umntu usweleka njani engagulanga.
Umama wexhoba uthi ufuna kwenziwe ubulungisa kwintombi yakhe kubanjwe umenzi wobubi.
Asidanisile kakhulu amapolisa kuba nangoku akukabanjwa mntu. Ndifuna abanjwe umrhanelwa ayokuphoswa kwisimnyama esisele kulahlwe nezitshixo.
Kungokunje olusapho luthi xa amapolisa engade athathe amanyathelo ngelityala luza kuthatha uxanduva lokufumana umrhanelwa ngokwalo.
Unyana wam owafowunele amapolisa ngecawa emva kokuba ebonwe esehlika emotweni. Amapolisa athe makajonge ukuba uhlala phi ibe ngona afonela amapolisa. Lento isothusile silusapho kuba ngoku siyazibuza ukuba sijike sangamapolisa na. Lento kufuneka elandelwe sithi umrhanelwa. Siwafonele ke kodwa emva kokubona kwakhona ukuba uhlala phi kodwa khange kubanjwe umnxeba.
Ukanti amapolisa kweliphondo laseLimpopo atyetyum ngalomba nangona eceliwe ukuba aphefumle.
Siphinde sikwamukele embukeli ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi usahlezi kanye nathi. Kanti bangabe siqhubekela phambili imbukeli ugcina uvule umgwaqo emzileni ongithela waye ku-N3 phakathi kweFan Reunion Pass ne-Escort KwaZulu-Natal. Phela kulandela ukuthungelwa ngomlilo kwamaloli kulomzila. Umengameli we-Truckers Association of South Africa uMary Phadi uthi kunesandla esinoboya malungana nokungqongqiswa ngomlilo kwalamaloli ku-N3.
We are just speculating now. And we are thinking that who could be the people that have done this. And we are aware that this thing has been happening from time to time where we get to be surprised by the trucks being burned early hours of the morning. And this matter, it is obvious that somebody is concerned about the issues that has to do with the freight industry. So we are thinking that it's the people that knows us very well and is the people that are on a campaign to destabilize the economy through the trucking industry.
Umbutho we-ANC uthi usungule inkqubo yokuqinisekisa ukuqeqeshwa koosodolophu noomanejala bomasipala ukuze kunqandwe ukusetyenziswa kwakubi kohlahlo lwabiwo-mali lomasipala, nto leyo ichaphazela ukuhanjiswa kweenkonzo. Ikomiti elawulayo ye-ANC ithi kulo nyaka-mali uphelileyo oomasipala bachithe imali ephantse ifikelela kwibhiliyoni enye yeerandi. Ilungu le-NEC ye-ANC uThembi Nkadimeng Uyanaba.
Well, we're not investing it as the ANC. We've already started. You will recall that prior the election of 2021, the ANC is the only political party which came out with the requirements for party requirements for mayors. It held interviews. It started a barometer. So we actually even knew the qualification levels of our mayors. And immediately we put them through our education system, which one look into political imperatives of the ANC, but also secondly look into development of all municipalities with the leadership of what we have as ANC mayors. Now we are currently have placed over 103 experts in municipalities to assist the training of mayors, to assist the training of administrators, but also to assist with the acceleration of service delivery. We're even undergoing assessments on what are the areas that we need to improve on for our municipalities in the leadership being mayors already. So it's not something that we are envisaging, we have already undertaken, and we're today in the NEC giving an update of how far we have gone. And of course, the NEC has emphasized the ensuring that we cover the areas with regard to alignment and synergizing the plans of government, and not only train mayors, but also train everybody who is within the administration and not only municipal managers.
Awukholosa kwaze kwayinto enhle ke ukuthi sebeqhamuke naleli qhinga lokuthi sekuzoqeqeshwa manje o manager babo komasipala kanjalo no mayor ngoba vele umuntu uyacabanga ukuthi laba bantu banikezwa ama budget amakhulu and siyazi ukuthi abanye babo mabengena lapha vele kusuke ngasebekhethiwe ngabantu kusuke kungesikhona ukuthi bangene ngeincwadi bana iaccounting bakwazi ibudget and stuff nezinto njalo njalo.
And inhle kakhulu lenqubo kuba kaloku uyawuqiniseka into okubana xa sele bekhona njengoba usisho into babanikezwe ibudget enkulu into ethi ke oko kuzawusebenza ingakumbi xa kuzawunqandwa ukusetyenziswa gwenxa kwemali into ethi ke nabantu kuba abantu bayakhala bathi omasipala kwindawo abahlala kuzo abazifumani inkonzo. So siyathemba ke mbukeli into okubana le nkqubo bazawukwazi abahlali into okubana inkonzo zifikelele kubo.
Njengamanje ke mbukeli yasisinje qunga seyitolo sobe sesibuya ke sesingene ehoreni lethu lesibili sikuphathele ihamba phambili. Ungayindawo hlala nesazeke kusekhaya.